Tuesday afternoon. We have bananas, so guess what we're going to do? Ha! Bet you thought banana bread. No, we're not making banana bread. We are making banana bread scones. So I'm gonna set up and we will start making. I have some really old bananas. Banana. I have some one banana actually. It just calls for one banana. So I have gathered my ingredients. I have everything ready to go. I just need to start mixing. So that is my mashed banana. I'm using coconut milk. I have some brown sugar, I have some applesauce, and this is semi-sweet chocolate. And I think that's my flour, and that's some salt, and I think that's about it. Oh, I'm missing the nuts, which I'm toasting right now. I'm toasting my nuts just a little bit. Okay, so that's my pecans, which I just toasted lightly. I'm sorry, there's construction. I have my windows open and there's construction literally everywhere. So please excuse the noise. I'll see if I can take some out, but yeah, there's literally 3 buildings going up, and these are tall, I guess, skyscrapers going up around me, so there's noise everywhere and I cannot help it.
Trees are made for climbing, days are made for sun, puddles are for jumping, fields are made to run, stars are made for counting and for wishes coming true. Sleep is made for dreaming, and I have dreams for you. May you never lose the wonder in your soul. May you always have a blanket for the cold. May the living light inside you be the compass.
Okay, so this is my butter, and that has been I put it in the freezer for just a little bit, for about 15 minutes, because I'm using plant butter and it doesn't act the same way as regular butter. I put it in the freezer for a few.
As you go, may you always know you have my hand to hold. Stones are made for skipping, stories made to tell. Life is made for living. I pray you live it well. Learning comes from trying, so don't be afraid to lose. Songs are made for singing. I'll sing this one for you. May you never lose the wonder in your soul. May you always have a blanket for the cold. May the
And now I have the chocolate chips and nuts in there. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it in gently, and then after that I'm going to add the wet mixture, the banana mixture.
light inside you be the compass as you go. May you always know you have my hand to hold. May the good Lord bless and keep you, fill you with his peace. His face will shine upon you, even as you sleep.
Okay, so shaping this was a bit tough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some flour.
Hearts are made for giving.
trick it. It's looking good. We have 2 minutes to go. Here, let's see what we have here. There you have it, folks. This is the banana bread scones. I haven't tried it yet, but it smells amazing, and judging by how it looks, I think we have a winner here. I'm gonna have it cool for a little bit. As you can see, I couldn't get them far apart enough for the sections not to come together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a knife when it cools and I'll just section them off again. But I mean, it's clearly there, you can see it. It just came together. But
that's you.
you like it? Is it scone like, bread like? What
Yeah,
is it like?
it's a combination. It's very good. Yeah, I shouldn't talk with my mouth full, but we're good.
Yeah.
Well, it's not too sweet. Yeah, it's perfect.
Always, let's see. Let's see the cragginess. We made
It's perfect.
scones. We made scones, people.
Mm.